Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dung Yaad. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Special welcome to you all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Those who were there from the beginning, no don't know it, go man. Yeah. Now today I wanna share with you how I wanna, we're doing this together. We're all in this together. So we're sharing here how to do a carrot cake. It's a beautiful cake, lovely cake. It's one of my favorite. And I wanna show you today how you can just go about doing yourself a nice carrot cake. Now, it is not compulsory. You can ice it with cream cheese icing or just with regular icing or frosting. We're not going to ice it today. We're going to do the frosting with the cream cheese in another video. So when you see that video, the carrot cake will be already baked. So we're just going to teach you in that video how to put on your frosting. We're just teaching you how to do the carrot cake from scratch today. First and foremost, I want to do some little West Indian, just a few West Indian Delights community service announcement. You know what happened? When your family start to get big, you know what happened? You have to change things around a bit, You have to get everything intact and don't have them running all over and there about a people place I walk up and down, okay? You have got to take care of your family. Now, I had a few videos back when I said I like men that cooks. I like a man. I love see man in a kitchen. I like to see a man that know how to angle himself in the kitchen. In other words, I say I like a man that cook. And I went on to say no hanky panky, and it's no hanky panky, and I'm not throwing out anything to anybody to say whatever. You know what I'm talking. I just like to see a man that cooks. And today I wanna introduce to you, he has a cooking channel. He's not Jamaican, but he has a passion for Jamaican cuisine, the Caribbean and Jamaica, and he also has the passion for the Jamaican dialect patois. And from him love the patois, I don't know me and him a friend, okay y'all? So he has this cooking channel. He is Amaru Cooks, Amaru Cooks. He has his cooking channel. I think he's Surinamese. Yes, originally. So I want you all go check him out, show him some love, give him some support. We're gonna link in the description his channel. Show him some love. Yeah, we find a man where cook, him a run him thing, him a run him kitchen. Yeah, straight up. So we say. So you know what happened? I'm saying to you all my family members, show him some love. Yeah man, we find a man where cook. Yeah, that's out of the way. Now, one more thing. I got a comment yesterday in the comment section. Somebody was asking, you know yourself, whoever you are. I don't even remember the name, but if I had, I would not say it without I got permission from you. The person was saying, Debbie, would you care or would you be grateful enough? She didn't really specifically say, but that was what she meant. To do some videos or to teach us those from beginning, from scratch, who never cook a pot from the day them born. And you know what? Big up yourself. She's a female. Big up yourself, because she was reading my mind. I had those. But I've got to put it in perspective that when I come and when I'm putting it out to you, it makes sense and you're getting it. Yeah, right in this Jamaican kitchen, we are going to take some lessons from scratch. You never from the day you're born, you never cook nothing, and you want to learn to cook. So we're going to show you. We're going to have some of those things coming up. So that does it. Right back here, we're moving on to the carrot cake. Now this cake is a cake that you have got, I'm going to link for you in the description, all that you're supposed to use and the proportionate measurements. Please follow them. I've said before in some prior video, some things you don't have to follow the measurements. Yes, there are some things in baking you don't have to. You can do a little twisting and a turn, a little drop off, pick up here and there. But there are just some things that you have got to stick to the exact measurement. I'm sorry. And this here is 1. So whatever I leave for you in the description, please follow in order for you to get a successful carrot cake. Now we have a rolling. This recipe calls for 4 eggs, 4 large eggs. Mine are small and you know the yolks must be intact as I told you, so I'm using 5. We link for you. It calls for 1 cup of granulated sugar and it calls for 1 cup of light vegetable oil. Don't go about and put in olive oil in there. Light is the lightest form of vegetable oil. Okay, y'all? That's what it calls for. And now we are gonna beat together this egg. I'll leave for you in the description the measurements as I told you. So we are gonna beat together the oil, the eggs, and the granulated sugar. Please take a note. I hope you're all in. Camera girl, are you in? So we are gonna beat them on a speed of about 4, low medium speed, 4 until it becomes foamy. Now, when we are finished beating, you'll see what it looks like. Okay, y'all? So you beat until it becomes frothy. You beat the granulated sugar, your eggs, and your vegetable oil until it becomes frothy, like this. Now right here we have a link for you. I'll not say any measurements. So we have all-purpose flour, we have some cinnamon powder, baking powder, and show me no love salt. You know, so me left out the little salt. Okay, so it's gonna be like half of a teaspoon of salt. So you're gonna put all the dry ingredients, and I'll link for you all dry ingredients. So you're gonna sift all the dry ingredients together. Our oven is over there, been preheated, and it must be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. And try to remember that when you're gonna bake, you have to check, remove your towels and stuff from before hanging on your stove. Check in your broiler pan area and make sure your stove is clear for anything, I'm sorry. Because you know we have to make sure say we don't have no accident and stuff. Now that we have we have sifted out this, we're gonna add it to this mixture. But we're gonna add it alternately, a little at a time, cutting and folding. Okay? And you have to remember that you are to grease and line your tin ahead of time. This can be put into an 8-inch, original 8-inch, not the foil ones. If you are using the foil ones, you gotta use a 9-inch because those 8-inch foil tins, they are a bit smaller to me. So if you are using the disposable foil tins, I would suggest you use a 9-inch. Okay, I'm using a bun tin because I've done it so many times and it comes out just how I want it. And I'll show you my bun tin in a little bit. So we're gonna finish cutting and folding this way, this flour mixture inside here. Look at what I'm doing. Remember from the Christmas cake, we do a 360 revolution and you cut. Look at it, no lumps, no lumps. So you use the cut and fold method. Now you're gonna dump in your shredded carrot. Now this is, it's supposed to be coarsely shredded, looking like this. And this is the side of the grater that you're gonna use, not this small side. If you use this fine side, as it's gonna come like a pudding. We're not making a pudding, we're doing a cake. So you're to use the coarse part of the grater. So we're going to dump in the carrot because the carrot has some moisture in there. We're gonna put in a little liquid mixed spice, vanilla, everything. That is about a tablespoon. And we have some niceness over here from in December. We have some left back. Yeah, you know what this is. We're gonna put 1 cup of it inside there. Okay, If you don't have these, you can just put your regular raisin and stuff, and that's it. We're gonna cut and we're going to fold in everybody. And the beauty about this cake is it does not use any form of water. Yeah, and this is ready. It's ready, y'all. Okay, look at it. And you want, it's your cake, you know, so you're going to put it ready. Bunting, grease and lime, and we're gonna scoop right in. And this is how easy this cake is, eh? We're gonna set the oven now for 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. We're gonna set the oven. If you have a cake, a bunting, I'm sorry, why am I making so many mistakes today? Is it that I'm so tired? So, if you have a bunting of this size, you can. If not, and you just gently make sure there are no drippings to the side, that as soon as you put it in, it starts burning and then you have to open the oven. You don't want that. You want to go right into your oven, yes, on the bottom shelf, and you want to set it, because it's it alone, you want to set it right in the middle there, right across from there. Okay, y'all? So, gently close your oven, and we're going to leave that for 1.5 hours. After 1.5, I'm sorry. After 1.5 hours, we will come back to look at the finished product. Now, family, give my shot at the oven. It is 21 minutes remaining. Timer. And as I'm going into the oven, y'all, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to show you. I want to say something to you. Make sure these are your protective gears when you're going in the oven. So, we're going to test in the very center. 1 time, clean. 2 times, clean. From the middle is ready, everywhere is ready. You don't have to test anywhere. You don't have to be testing all over. The middle is where you test. So it's ready. And we have 20 minutes remaining on the timer. Now, put the camera up on. We preheated the oven for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Sometimes, depending on the nature of the mixture, it could go for 1.5 hour full. But what I want to say to you, when you put in your cake, after 1 hour, please stay near to the oven. Don't go far. It might just bake a little over 1 hour. When it reaches like about 50 minutes within the baking process, you're gonna start smelling the cake as you never smelled it before. Stay near the oven then. Stay near. It can be baked before the 1.5 hour. Okay, y'all? So when you start to smell it, I just can't see smelling. You stay near. It might be ready. Okay, y'all? So make we get right in panda something here. Because it a go like it out for go on without something for my nose. Come right in, camera girl. This is what we have. Another way of testing that the cake is ready. Right in. You will just sink it with your hand, and when it springs back, look at me. It springs back. It simply means it's baked. Don't matter the air it puffs up and it's cracked. When it's cooled, it will all be settled and everything will come right down and the moisture will be there. This is as a result of maybe we beated the eggs too much, maybe too much mixture in the pan because it came right up, and maybe too much moisture inside the soaked fruits that I use. Not a problem. This is no problem. If you bake your one and it comes up, it's ready. So now you gotta leave it on this wire rack. Some people might want to run a knife around it. I don't really care for run knife run my things and like that, because that is why I always grease and lime. But just to suit for the people, just to, what should I say now? For the people that are, you know, curious, I'm just gonna run my knife around it to show you that it's okay. Because I normally never do this. But you can't turn it out now. You've got to leave it on a wire rack in the pan for another 15 to 20 minutes. See, it's jumping up. It's not stick. So, we're going to leave it on this wire rack for another 50, let us say 20 minutes, or for it to be properly, for it to be half cooled. When we return, we will turn it from the wire out of the pan onto the direct wire rack itself, and it will have to stay there for another 2 to 3 hours before it's properly cooled, before it could be frost. Probably more, depending on the temperature where you're at. For you know who are hot where you are and it's snowing, it would cool easily. But for me where I am, it would take maybe sometime in the morning. So that is why I would not ice it in this video. So when we return, we're going to turn out this cake, and it could have bad like a yaad. We are turning him out, and we are going to slice a piece, and we're going to show you what the inside looks like. Okay? Okay, now family. We're going to try now to get it onto the direct wire rack. So in this instance, due to the shape of my pan, I'm just going to lift it to the side. And you're going to gently, hold on, let us shake it to make sure everything is intact. Okay. So you want to do this. Okay? And it's out. You want to pull away. So I tell you, this is the security against the burning. Okay? Look at your pan. Okay. So now it's not properly cooled, and if you notice, the cracks are coming together because the more it cools, the more the crack comes together, and everything will be intact. It has got to stay here on this wire rack for some good amount of hours depending on the temperatures I told you. But we're going to leave it for another probably half an hour. It will not be properly cooled. But just for you to see, I want you to see what inside of your cake must look like. Okay? I want you to get right in on everything. I want you to bake your carrot cake, and something tells me that I'm going to get a whole heap of carrot cake via Instagram and WhatsApp to eat this week. And if you're new to my channel, how we do it over here, honey child, honey bunny, when you cook, when you bake, you gotta send me some via Instagram. If you're on Instagram and you're following me and I'm following you, I'll see. But mine mostly come through WhatsApp, okay? That's how we do it over here. We're a family. And I don't know why, because through this I go eat off. Me get a feeling so me I go have a lot to eat over the weekend. So we're not through. When you see us next, we will cut this cake, okay? You please stand by Finyamin. You hear? Now family, I said to you it takes hours to cool, but we've got to cool this cake. So what I did was just to get this cutting board, got it on the cutting board, took off the grease proof from the bottom, and it is on the cutting board, and it is there. It is not supposed to be on the cutting board, you know, but I just put it on the cutting board to facilitate you all to see. It's supposed to be directly, because I want to cut it. So I put it on the cutting board, so I have to get it back after the video is through on the direct wire rack for the air to be going underneath to get it to cool, okay? From the top and underneath the air is going. So we're going to take away this end. This is the part that I like. So you're going to gently slice because it's not properly cooled. And this is what it looks like inside here. This is what your carrot cake must look like. This is the texture that you want. You don't want it, that's why I told you, as soon as you start, it starts getting within an hour. Stay near, because if it should be baked within the hour or a little over hour, you will not get this texture. It will be in there until the hour and a half, and then it will be all dry. Now, this is the part of the cake, you know, that I like, the end part. And if you like the end part of the banana bread, the carrot cake, any cake, please to comment. Now, let me get you all another slice out. Remember, it's not cooled. Please to remember that. So we're just taking a chance here. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your kitchen wherever you are, your family table, to your plate, it's carrot cake. Enjoy, y'all. Alright, hello. You heard I tell this boy I have to steal knife piece and yummy. But look here. Hello. This is my favorite cake. And pineapple upside down. And you know that I go come. I look on the where they are right now. Because this is for you all. Beautiful. Lovely. Nice. Nice. Not too sweet. Just nice. It is a lovely cake. If you have not yet tried it, you need to try it. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, with your family. Share, share, share. Like. Leave your comments below. Let me know how yours went. Better yet, send me your picture. Go post up on Instagram. Okay, y'all? So, go again. Carrot cake from scratch. You saw it. I gave it to you. Once more. Debbie from Dung, yaad. I told you all. Bless. No stress.